Hi, hello friends, Nagarajan from Market Decoder channel. In this video, we're going to see what is going to be the levels for Nifty for the upcoming week, and we're going to see a couple of stocks for swing trading. I believe some institution involvement will be seen in these couple of stocks going forward. So I have chosen a couple of stocks. Yeah, we'll see it technically what is going to be the target and what will be the stop loss. Yeah, let's get into the screens. So yeah, this is our Telegram channel. So in this channel, on December 24th, I have posted this chart. So this chart, as per this chart, I have said like the spinning top has formed at support. Here is the support and exactly closed above 0.618. That is what is my chart saying on December 24th, and I have updated the chart and posted it in the channel. Here is the updated chart. Yeah, this was posted last week. So I have posted saying there is a confirmation, meaning the market can go move up. This is the Bank Nifty chart, and the first chart when I posted it was around 34,000. Yeah, we'll look at the exact levels. So the levels are going to be 34,850. 857, and right now we are at almost like 37,000. I have predicted this 2,000 points well in advance, and I have posted this in the group as well, saying market will be rallying for at least like 5 to 6% in the upcoming week. So that is what has been happened, and we will see what has happened in the last trading session on Friday, and we will see what is going to be the levels for the next week. Yeah, so let's get into the charts. So first we will see what is happening with Nifty, then we'll go with Bank Nifty. So this is what the chart says. So Bank Nifty was the Nifty came down almost from the top 18,600 to 16,840. Sorry, 16,400, almost like 2,000 points down, and it started moving up. It has given a trend reversal here. So low, high, higher, low, higher, high. The breakout has happened here at almost like 17,138, and right now we are at 17,812. So looking at the good reversal, we can say like the market has started moving up. The trend has reversed. So in the market we have only two things, which is trend continuation and trend reversal. So the trend has started moving up right now, and we'll be able to see a good momentum in the upside. So here we can see a trend line as well. The trend line also is broken out, and it has gone up. So right now what can happen is Nifty can face some psychological resistance around 18,000, and at least if it is going to be a 0.32 retracement, it will be 17,515, and if it is further coming down to meet the Fibonacci number 0.5, it will be 17,385. So these will be the levels, and then after that there can be a move like that. So market can come till here or till here, and then the market will again will shoot up like this. It will definitely beat the all-time high, previous all-time high, which is going to be 18,600, and again market will bounce like anything. So that is what is my prediction in Nifty for the upcoming week. So this week Nifty can come down a bit, be due to this COVID reasons, or as per the trend also we can say like it can come down a bit, because the rally has been like almost like it's from 16,400, it has been 17,940 was the high. So we will be getting at least a small 4 to 5% of small down dip and before the rally. So this is what is all about Nifty, and we'll go to the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, what it says. So Bank Nifty. So looking at the Bank Nifty is also having the same kind of structure. So I have posted the same level in the which I showed a few minutes back in the Telegram channel. Yeah, we'll look at the weekly chart. The weekly has given a good level of confirmation. So there was a good drop, almost like from 41,829 to 34,018, and from there 30 almost like now 4,000 points has been done. So after which it has reached a resistance. If you draw a Fibonacci, it will be like this, and exactly 0.5. That is why I have posted the chart in our Telegram channel, saying there can be a small dip. The dip will be till at least like if you put a reverse fib, it will be around 36,640 will be the levels. So at least a small retracement will be there or can be there. We cannot say like will, we can say it can come till here and for the next upside move. So here also if you go to the daily chart and see, trend reversal has happened. So here it is a double bottom and this is going to be the neckline. If you consider this swing, it is low, high, higher low and higher high. So we are almost like trend reversal has come for this good downtrend. So we are moving upside. Before that we will be having a small dip. We can use that dip and we can conservatively do our buyings in Bank Nifty stocks. Yeah, that is all about Nifty and Bank Nifty. We'll go to the next pick, which is going to be for the next upcoming quarters, which is IIFL Finance Limited. So I believe there should be some institution involvement because there is a good accumulation happening at the top. Yeah, usually the accumulation happens when there is no institution involvement, but this time we can expect a good institution involvement at this point of time because almost like maybe from almost like for past almost like for a year from Feb of 2021, right now we are in Jan 2022. So almost a year there has been a good consolidation. There has been no drop below 240 or there is no bounce above 360. So there is a good consolidation seen, and looking at the price action, if you see at the bottom we are in the double, it has like a double bottom, or if you consider this spinning top and the confirmation and again good confirmation, we can go for a buy at this levels, and the targets will be definitely the previous all-time high will be the first target. This should be the once this is getting broken, we will be seeing this all-time high will be the target. 445 will be the first target. Beyond that there will be a very good bounce on in this stock. This is the first stock. It the target can be we can say like the target will be achieved maybe in a couple of maybe 2 to 3 quarters from now. The next pick is going to be Canara Bank, which is already respecting a trend line, and it has been in a spinning top plus confirmation. Again there is a confirmation. Now we are in a descending trend line in weekly charts. Yeah, so in a weekly chart we are in a descending trend line. If this is getting broken, always descending trend line will be broken in the upside and the ascending trend line will have to break in the downside. So we got a support at the ascending trend line. So there is a very high chance, to get the stock get broken in the upside of the descending trend line. So once this is done, we will be seeing a good target. This will be the first target like around 300, and the next target will be above 400 something. For sure this can hit the previous all-time high which was made in 2017. So this is all about Canara Bank. If you are going to hold it for next few months or maybe like few quarters, the target is going to be huge. Yeah, if you see look at this. So if it is going to be a break, if it is breaking these levels, of 300, which is this resistance, we will be seeing a huge target of 400 plus, and maybe in a year or two we will be seeing this target in Canara Bank. So this is we can see like this is going to be a very big target. We have to look for the fundamentals. Please do your own research and plan accordingly. Plan your position size and put your money. So thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe and support the channel. Take care. Bye bye.